Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel, and if you're new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about how you can build or create a user-friendly and engaging taxi booking application, or how you can convert your current taxi booking application to more user-friendly and engaging for your users. So stick around because I've covered really very important tips for your own taxi booking application. So let's get started. With the rise of ride-hailing services, it is much more important than ever to create applications, to create taxi booking applications that stand out in the whole market. And to create that type of application, you need your application to be more user-friendly and engaging. And how you can build your more user-friendly and engaging application, or how you can convert your existing application to more user-friendly one or to more engaging one, then let us understand few important tips for your own application, and let us understand these tips one by one. First is simple and intuitive design. So when any users opens your application, they should find what they are looking for very quickly and very easily. Therefore, having a clean, simple and intuitive design is very important. For example, imagine an application, or we can say a layout, where the book a ride button is quite big and easy to spot. Plus you can also provide menu which is quite straightforward. From this, what happens, your users can navigate across the whole application very easily without any confusion, which makes the overall experience much more stress-free, and there are more chances that there will be successful booking. Then we have easy booking process. So imagine you are in a hurry to go to the airport and you need to book a taxi very quickly. And here, when you open your application, within few taps you are able to confirm your booking. This is the kind of seamless experience you should offer to your users. And here you can minimize the number of steps and information required, so that you can provide your users so that they can easily book the taxis even when they are in the rush. Next is real-time tracking. So have you ever stood on the sidewalk wondering where your taxi is or when it will arrive? With real-time tracking, those days are behind you. So you can allow your users, or you should allow your users, to see exactly where the taxi is on the map and estimate exactly when it will arrive. By providing real-time tracking, you are allowing your users, you are providing users a sense of control and transparency, and making your overall application's experience much more enjoyable and trustworthy for your users. And finally, we have payment integration. So when your users get out of the taxi, the last thing they worry about is the payment. So you can provide your users with great payment integration, where you can make the whole process for your users much more easy, quick and hassle-free. You can also provide them multiple payment options like credit card, digital wallets or even direct cash, which is, you are providing more options and convenience to your users, which will make your whole overall payment integration process, whole payment process much more easier, hassle-free and with more convenience. Here you are making your overall application much more user-friendly for your users. So there you have it. Top tips to create a more engaging and user-friendly taxi booking application. And here you can also create much more efficient taxi booking application. If you want to know how, you can call us directly, because here in our company we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. Plus right now we are providing you 20 minutes free consultation services, so that you can know how you can start your own applications journey. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website, which is linked in the description. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.